Welcome to the review of generations of all-out machines. This is the first generation all-out machine which comes out with a wire, and it is very popular in the 1990s to catch mosquitoes. Second generation of all-out machine which is completely wireless, and it has been popular for over about 10 years. It is directly pluggable into the socket, and it is fully hassle free. The second generation of all-out machine, wherein a power slider is provided. If the slider is to the leftmost, it means that the heater coil is present far away from the center wick, so that less evaporation of the vapor takes place. Likewise, if the slider coil is to the rightmost, then the distance between the centermost air wick and the outer coil is very less, so that more evaporation of this liquid take place. So this model was popular from early 2010 till 2015. The variant which we have seen now belongs to this model. In the third generation, there are many such variants released. So this contains a smart chip which has a inbuilt timer to on and off the power slider automatically. These are all the latest models, but based on the same technology. If you want to buy a latest third generation all-out, now it is available for around 80 rupees. It contains the slider option, so that you can slide through the either left or right in order to change the evaporation power. So this is the fourth generation of all-out machine, which is available for a price point of 149 rupees. It contains an inbuilt fan also. So if you see, a fan option is also provided, so that whatever vapor that has been released out of the wick, that can be spread across the room uniformly by this fan. So this is the fan that is present, and here is the wick from which the liquid vapors are released. So generally, when such machines are on, the vapor density will be more near this area and will be less at the farther end of the room. So this fan is provided so that diffusion becomes easy. The process of diffusion of the vapor released by this wick becomes easy. So now I am going to turn on. So currently, if you see here, one switch is given. If you move it up, it means that fan is on. Here a fan symbol is also given. So this is the fan symbol. So now fan is also on. So now I am going to plug in it with the fan on. I hope you could observe the sound of the fan as well. It is giving sound around 20 decibels. If we place our hand over the fan, we can even feel the wind. So if I push this button down, then the fan will turn off. So this is the latest generation, fourth generation all-out machine available in the market as on today. So subscribe to this channel to see all reviews on future generations of all-out machines as well. Thank you.